Good morning, first page students. Now we are going to the exercise 7.2. First problem. Evaluate eight factorial solution. 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 1 2 2 2 3 6 6 4s 24 24 5s 120 126 120 into 6 720. Okay, 720 into 7 720 into 7 0 14 7 7 49 50 into 8 0 32 40. So 40,320. So second problem. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 minus 6 that is equal to 18. Third problem is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. Is it correct or not? First of all, 7 factorial. First of all, 7 factorial is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to. So 720 into 7 720 into 7 700 7 to 14 for 50 5040 the 7 factorial value. Next, 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 that is equal to 24. 4 into the 2 24. 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6. LHS is equal to 4 factorial plus 3 factorial. 4 factorial plus 3 factorial 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. So RHS is equal to 7 factorial. 7 factorial is equal to 5040. Hence 4 factorial plus 3 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. Clear? Next one. Next one. This is the first problem, first bit 2. This is second bit 2. This is second problem. Next, third problem. Third problem is compute. Compute means find, calculate 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. So solution 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial that is equal to 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. So 6 factor 2 factorial value 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1. So that is equal to 8 into 7 into this one. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 is equal to 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Is 6 factorial cancel. 2 ones so 2 fours, that is equal to 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to 28. Fourth problem. If 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial. So find x. Solution: 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial. LCM: 7 factorial plus 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 7 factorial is equal to x by 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 factorial. Okay, LCM 7 factor 6 factorial by 6 into 7 factorial. So x by 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 factorial. Clear? 7 factorial cancel. Okay. So 7 factorial value 5040, 7 factorial value 5040 plus 6 factorial value 30, 120, 360, 720. 720 by 6 factorial value also 720 is equal to x by 8. So x by 8 means so the 6 factorial here 6 factorial this one 8 30 90. So 8 ones so 8 90s, 9 into 8 720. So 5040 plus 720 means so 5760 5760 is equal to 90x. 5 0 plus 0 4 plus 6 0 plus 7 7 60. So x is equal to 5760 by 90. 0 0 cancel. So 13 18 3 3 3 1s 3 3 9s 27 3 2s. So 12 also. So 3 6 18 3 4s 46. 46 44 into 9 3 3s 3 1s 3 9s 27 3 2s. So 3 6 3 4 2. Okay, so x value is equal to 64. X value is equal to 64. Next, fifth problem, first bit. Evaluate n factorial by n minus r factorial when first bit is n is equal to 6, r is equal to 2. Second bit is n is equal to 9, r is equal to 5. First bit n factorial by n minus r factorial. So 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 factorial. So that value is equal to 30. Next, second one is n factorial by n minus r factorial. So n factorial is equal to 9 factorial by n minus r means 9 minus 5 factorial. So 9 factorial is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 9 into 8 into 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial. 9 minus 4, 5 factorial is equal to 4 factorial. 4, 4 cancel. 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 7, 210. 210 into 8, 0, 8 to 16. Into 9, 0, 0, 9, 8, 72, 9, 6, 54, 54, 7, 61, 9, 1s, 9 plus 6, 9, 1, 9 plus 6, 15. So, that value is equal to 15,120. 0, 8, 16, 0, 9, 8, 72, 9, 6, 54, 61, 9, 1, 9 plus 6, 15. This is the value of this one. So, exercise 7.2 completed. Next one. Next one. Derivation of the formula for NPR. Derivation of the formula for NPR. So, NPR formula. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is the very important formula. So, 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. NPR formula, very important one. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, so notations. NP0 is equal to n factorial by n minus 0 factorial. N factorial by n minus 0 is equal to n factorial is equal to 1. Next, NP1 is equal to n factorial by n minus 1 factorial. N factorial is reduced into, expanded into n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 n minus factorial is equal to n. Next, NPN is equal to n factorial by n minus n minus n fact. Apply the formula. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r. np0 is equal to, this is the first one, n factorial by n minus 0 factorial. So n factorial by n minus 0 is equal to n factorial np1, n factorial by n minus 1 factorial, n factorial expansion n into n minus 1 factorial equal to n minus n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial cancel, npn n factorial by n minus n. So n factorial by n minus n is equal to 0, 0 factorial, 0 factorial is equal to 1, so that is equal to n factorial. So np0 is equal to 1, np1 is equal to n, npn is equal to n factorial. Okay, so this is the some results. np0, npn. Okay, clear? np01, npr formula. npn. Next npn minus 1, npn minus 1, npn minus 1 formula n factorial by n minus of n minus 1 factorial, n factorial by n minus of minus 1. So n factorial by n minus n cancel, minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 factorial, so it is equal to n factorial. So n minus n cancel, 1 factorial. So many results. So in the permutation, repetition is not allowed. Some n objectives arranged in n objectives are given, taken r objectives arranged means NPR without repetition. With repetition, what is with repetition? The number of permutations of the number of permutations of n different objects, n different objects, the number of permutations of n different objects taken or at a time, is n power r. Taken or at the number of permutations of n different objectives taken or at a time without repetition. Without repetition formula NPR. With repetition formula n power r. Or at a time where repetition is allowed. At a time where repetition is allowed. Repetition allowed n power r. Repetition is not allowed. N objectives, the number of permutations of n different objects taken or at a time where repetition is allowed means formula, direct formula n power r. After that, the number of permutations of n different objects taken or at a time where repetition not allowed. Repetition is not allowed formula NPR. Repetition is allowed formula n power r. Okay. So tomorrow repetition allowed, permutations, repetition allowed, repetition not allowed. Two more examples I will explain. After that, like terms, the number of permutations of n different objectives different same like terms. For example, so 2 for example 1 2 3 4 5, 2 are 2 times, so 3 are 3 times, so this is like terms. Okay, clear? The number of permutations of n different n objectives, not different, same objectives, where p objectives are one kind and p some objectives are some kind, so that the repetition and without repetition is separate. Some different elements here, the permutations of n different objectives taken are at a time, n different objectives with repetition, without repetition. N different objectives means repetition, and for example 1 2 3 4 5, this is different type of elements. 1 comma 2 comma 2, this is not a different type of elements. So different n different objectives are at a time. Without repetition means n power r, with repetition means without repetition means npr, with repetition means n power r. So next one, the number of permutations of n objectives, not different. Okay, n objectives, okay, not different. Okay, same numbers or different numbers, both are combined. So n different n objectives taken are at a time. P1 some values are, okay, this is the tomorrow I will explain tomorrow another one. So this is today exercise and it completed. Okay, clear?